In this video we're going to look at setting up a job for step and repeat in Onyx 25. So first of all I need to find an applicable job. Now you can step and repeat any file, but you can also set up files to work with a step and repeat pattern. So I'm going to go and pick this job here and press open. So I'm going to let that rip. Then going to right click and go to job editor. And you'll see now it's open in job editor. First thing I'm going to do, as always, is just going to choose my print mode to make sure that's correct. So let's say this is going to go gloss high quality on self-adhesive vinyl. There we go. So I can apply that. Then I'm going to go across then to patterns. I'm going to enable step and repeat. And you'll see that already it looks pretty good. So if I wanted to, then I could change the offset. So certain files are going to be set up for certain step and repeat patterns. That looks pretty good. We can then change the actual output size. So at the moment, if I zoom back out again, what it's doing is it's creating a job at the moment at 1579 by 1579. Now, if I've only got 1300 material in there, I'm going to check that at 1300. And then I might do about 2 meters worth of actual print. Just like that. Now that's set, pretty much ready to go. I can choose different patterns. I can choose different types here. We can also add gaps in there as well. We can flip alternating repeats. So one goes one way, one goes the other. So you can see one of them's upside down. We can change the vertical repeat counts and gaps. That's where we add those gaps. And we can also change the horizontal repeats as well in there. So now that's done, I can just go straight to my print button and go to submit. And now there's a pattern ready to go. Now, if you wanted to print this as a wallpaper and do a whole 100 meters of this, the best way to do it is to set it up like I've just done in a couple of meters as it is. So we can see it's not coming in at the moment because it's on the wrong media. So I just need to change my media. Change that to self-adhesive and then it will pop up in there. There it is. So we're going to set the job up here. We're just going to do one copy there. We're going to press print now. And then in print now, we're going to use this layout preview. I'm going to say I want no space between my copies, but I want to send 10 of those, which will give me 20 meters of print. Press print. And that will just do a continuous run then of that pattern for 20 meters, instead of trying to actually send a job which is 20 meters long, which might take a long time to rip. I'll then press print panel and that's it. So that's how we set up a job for step and repeat in Onyx 25.